This new tool just crossed over into the physical web. Stop scrolling and let's dive in. So UltraPic, AI makes your products magical. Magical. That's the word. It has background remover, background generator, photo retouching, generative fill, magic eraser, watermark remover. Solid. So let's dive in. So the models here has it all. So we'll be going with the background remover. Let's check this out. Let's go with you. Beyonce. Beyonce. You don't say. Rhyme it. So it has removed the background. The best thing about this site that I love is the fact that you get to change the canvas size. So the canvas size. So you can manipulate it anyhow you want. And also you can give it a fill, the background fill. You can edit the image as well. You can increase the saturation, decrease it anyhow you want, just to blend, and then the sharpness, noise, glare. This website has got you. Now, let's so we can generate a background for it as well. Let's use this. This seems kind of Game of Thrones background. If I'm not mistaken. So yeah, sorry. Let's look at that. You can download this as well. And then now let's go to the batch editor. So with a batch editor, you can upload up to any amount of, so let's say 1, 2, 3. You can upload these images and then remove the background. You can edit it anyhow you want. I'm telling you, this website is a new face. Is a they would have did this. So you can edit it anyhow you want. And now let's go to the photo retouching. So with the retouching, yeah. So let's retouch this. Let's retouch this. So what do we say? Issue white, we want a white background, remove blemish, shadow. Let's get. And it will remove the watermark as well. We've selected that side as well. Are you seeing this? Are you seeing this? You can download it in PNG or JPEG. This is serious. Let's check. So with the remover, so they are connected. So let's see the eraser. So the same image. Let's use the same image. So we've done this, and then so it has the smart remove and then the manual remove. So you can use a brush and say remove this side out for me, and then come here remove, and then that's the magic for you. Honestly, you can choose this tool over Photoshop all day. The ease with it, the ease with it. Like, oh my god, you can download it as well. And then now let's check out the generative film. So with that one, let's use the same image. This is what you can describe the added or change content. what you want to add, what you want to change. So I'm using a brush. So let's say, let, let's put some golden slugs here. So you can say golden, golden watch. And then what it does is magical. Magical. It's ultra picking. Ultra picking. Just look at this. You can download it. Like that's one of the good things about this website. It does what you want it to do for you in a nice and calm fashion. You can download it as well and use it for what you want to use it for. One of the best. This is one of the best. So let's check the enhancer. So even with our image, you could tell that the image is not that clear. You could tell that the image is not that clear. So, and then the one great thing about them is this. It's a view tutorial, add prompt guidance. So they are not just giving you just go empty-handed. They want to guide you along. That's some nice move. But then let's just go to restore. Let's restore the image in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Your thumbnail has been designed for you perfectly. Ah, John is this one. John is that one. Okay, why you? Let's just move on. Today, upscaler. Let's check that one too. So we have okay. Let's use this image now. This image is kind of clear little, but then the upscaler does some nice magic here. You see, mostly images when you're upscaling it, maybe from 10 pixels to 20 pixels, the quality decreases. The pixels start getting stretched and then it loses the quality. There are lots of technical details. But then the good news about this is this website helps you. So we are converting from 128 to 256, upscaling without distorting anything. Let's check it out. And the good news about this website is fast. Everything happens in seconds. That's the good news about this. Unlike the others. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? Just look at that. Just look at that. Just look at that. Just look at that. The link will be in the description. I'm telling you, this is the future. This is the present. This is the future. Anything you need, anything related to picture, images, this website has got you covered. Go check this out. Link in description. And as always, stay connected, stay curious. We will do more.